Do you like magic? Would you like to learn a magic trick you can do on your own? Well, duh, the answer is yes. My name is Jeff Evans. I'm a professional magician, and I've put together a simple magic trick you can do right in your own home. All you need is a piece of paper, 2 paper clips. So why don't you find those, come back, and then we'll be ready to perform the trick. Do you have everything? Here's the first step. If you don't have a piece of paper, I just made this by cutting a strip out of paper. You can use newspaper, writing paper, you can use a dollar bill. Basically, take the piece of paper and start by folding it in half. Now don't crease the fold. Notice I just kind of left it bent loosely. And then you take one paper clip and put it on the edge of the paper like this. The next step is to take one of the edges of paper, fold it over the paper clip, and when you look at the side, it kind of makes like a letter S. And the second clip goes through 2 sections of paper. So each clip is only going through 2 sections of paper to keep it in that S shape. It's also important that both of the paper clips are on the same edge of the paper. So in this case, they're both on the top edge. Both of the clips are on this side. There's not one clip clipped down below. Now you're ready to do the trick. Gather your friends around and say the magic words, razzle dazzle, diesel dip, paper clips, jump and flip, and when you pull on the ends, they'll leap into the air and magically link themselves together. It works on its own if you do exactly, follow the steps exactly. Now, a couple tips that sometimes makes it difficult for people to follow along. The first step is make sure that each clip, I'm going to set it up one more time. Start with the paper, fold in half. Each clip only goes through 2 sections of paper. So again, that's clip number 1. Then you take one of the ends, fold it over the clip, again, so it makes kind of an S shape when you look at the edges. Push both of the clips all the way down. If it looks like this, hold on to the ends, say the magic words, razzle dazzle, diesel dip, paper clips, jump and flip, and voila. A lot of people have seen this version. However, there are a couple ways you can spice it up to make it even cooler. If you want, you can add extra paper clips. So after you fold the paper in half, rather than putting 1 clip on, try putting 2 clips on. And then fold it around, and you can put 1 or 2 clips on. Basically, you can put as many clips as you want, but the more clips you put on, the better chance that it's gonna tear the paper. It also makes it really difficult to get the clips apart at the end. But in this case, I've just put 4 clips on this piece of paper, and we'll see what happens. Razzle dazzle, diesel dip, paper clips, jump and flip. And that's 4 clips arranged in a parallelogram. Now, I have no idea what form that is, but they're really difficult to get apart. Another way thing that I like to do is get a rubber band, and you can add a rubber band into the mix. So before the trick starts, put a rubber band onto the paper like this. Then fold the paper, put a clip on. Fold the paper over the rubber band, put the second clip on. Razzle dazzle, diesel dip, paper clips, jump and flip, and then make sure that this time don't let the clips touch the ground. So you have to catch the clips before they hit the ground. If you don't catch the clips before they hit the ground, you have to do 10 push-ups, all right? Razzle dazzle, diesel dip, paper clips, jump and flip. I think I've got some car keys. This is called the linking paper clips trick. There's one other way you can present this, because there's different ways of presenting tricks. Borrow $1 from your friend. Okay, I've just got a 20, but that's even better. So borrow a 20 from your friend and do the trick with the dollar bill instead of the piece of paper. So you fold it in half, put a clip on, fold it again, put the other clip on, and then tell your friend, have a contest between you and your friend to see whose paper clips can be the closest to each other when they land on the ground. Now your friend is going to put the clips on just like this, and they're going to pull the bill, and the clips are going to go flying in different directions. But when you do it, you do the secret linking paper clips move, and now when you pull on the ends, razzle dazzle, diesel dip, paper clips, jump and flip, your clips are going to end up not only close together, they're going to end up touching because they're physically linked together, which means your clips will always be closer to your friends, and then you get to keep their dollar. Okay, I'm kidding, don't actually keep their dollar. But if you did, think of how much money you'd have. You'd be rich. You'd have money burning a hole in your pocket. Okay, I gotta go now. Hey, just one quick thing. Remember to keep the magic a secret. The thing that makes magic fun is that not everyone knows how to do it. So even if your friends are gonna say, tell me how you did it, keep the secret to yourself, and then more magicians can entertain people with that same magic trick. And the next time you're in the library, head on over to the 793.8 section. That's where librarians always hide the magic books. Have fun. Remember to practice your magic before you amaze your friends.